This car is the 5th generation of X5. It's a perfect combination between heritage and modernity. It's a great evolution between the current model to this one, not only in terms of design, but also in terms of technology and innovation. You can see everywhere in this car a lot of contrast. You can see that it has organic forms with very precise lines, beautifully designed by the team. It has a very strong, very bold front for the presence, and it dives, if you see it, rise and goes down very, very nice and sporty, lower, lower, lower into the back, which create this sense of speed, sense of dynamism. So the front of the all-new X5 has been completely redesigned, and it is following the Neue Klasse design form language. Beautiful illuminated kidneys. When you get close to it, you can also see that there is a tridimensional pattern in form of stripes that describes depth and gives much more sense of 3D. This is one of my favorite features, are the front lights. First time ever in X form. You can see the innovation on these lamps. We have implemented the daytime running light and also the low beam. So, two very unique features on the body side. The new winglet, the opener of the car, which makes the whole exterior much more modern and reduced, which is all this Neue Klasse philosophy of design from BMW. What is very beautiful as well is the combination of this simplicity with these beautiful hips. We focus in aerodynamics, and we had to taper the greenhouse quite a lot from the front to the back, and that allows us as designers to create a very nice shoulder here on the back. These cutouts here, as you can see, that actually embracing the wheel, but at the same time they are making visually much more powerful, much more stronger stance, and it balances the car much more forward. Let's have a look on the back. One of my favorite features here on the back is the rear lamps. Why? Because you can see that there is a lot of tridimensional feeling into it when you get close to it. As a second read, you have these little diagonal bars going inside. We pay a lot of attention into these kind of details. We have dragged the color of the bumper all the way down to the floor. It drags the weight, the visual weight of the car down to create much more stance, so the car feels more stable and more attached to the wheels and to the floor. The team has done a great work on all this, taking care of every surface, every detail, every line, and you can see it here. It's a fantastic car.
As a designer, we always use duality to enhance a signature feature in a car. On the X5, you sit higher, you are hovering over the interior, and this topology, you see that in the dashboard lower, you see that in the connection to the door, is really enhancing this command sitting position. With the Neue Klasse technology, that brings this duality together, which makes this interior so typically BMW, but at the same time absolutely tech forward. We've been adding a lot of sophistication to this simple monolithic architecture, like for example the suede on the door, the stitching on the door, the ambient lighting strip, which is even stronger, emphasize the wraparound architecture of this interior. What I really like is the combination of analog natural materials like slate or glass elements in the central console or in the door. And those natural analog materials are combined with very much tech-forward technology and pixel-perfect digital curated icons. This is also the BMW way of designing interiors, is to pioneer some new technologies. It's very calm, it's very luxurious, but it's very reduced at the same time.